Welcome to Analytics with Nags. This is a quick trick on how to sort a month name or day of a week chronological order in Power BI. If you are struggling with ordering your month name, like instead of it should be from January, February, March, it comes with the alphabetical order, like April comes first and August comes second, something like that, then this is the video for you. Let's see it in a demo how to fix it. So this is what I'm saying about. So we have this dashboard built, and in our previous video we have built day of a week, which day of a week the sales is doing performing well. And here in this video I have built a month name, but this is not the way we need to see it. Usually it should be from January, February, March. It should be chronological. Similarly, this is the issue with day of a week as well. So how to fix it? Before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button right now to know tips and tricks like this in future. The solution is very simple. Let me show it in Excel how to do it. I'm trying to explain the logic. Basically, you have this day of a week. For day of a week, you need to have this numbering. Okay, it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and assign the sort property of this column to this, so that visually we will see this one. Internally, the order will happen based on this column. That is what the trick is. Similar for the month. So for each month, we need to generate one ordering column, and internally Power BI will order based on this column, but while displaying it will display only this. So how to do it? We can't do anything over here. Just go to transform. We need to create two explicit columns, one for month order, another for day of a week order. Okay, it is taking a while. Bear with me, guys. Come on. Yes, so we have a month name here, and you have a sale date copy. I don't want this right now. So we have month name and day of week. For that we need to create a order column. Okay, so we will create a duplicate copy. Okay, one for month order, another one for day order. Two duplicate copies. Okay, and first one, because I cannot derive anything from here, it becomes a text. Okay, so I need to get it from the sale date, which is having a date field here. So I will say it as month order. Okay, and this one as day order, just renaming it after copying. So for this, right click, transform, and go to month, click on month. Okay, that will give me the number of the month. Okay, March means 1, January means 1st, like that. Okay, you can see here, you can load more, so it will list me 12 months. That's perfect. So this is the column we are derived for this column. Similarly for day order, right click, transform, day, day of a week. Okay, that is from 0 to 6. So let us quickly check it. Yes, 0 means Monday, 6 means Sunday. So in this order. Okay, now we have just derived these two columns. We have never set the sort properties here. We can back to check. Let's close and apply. That will take few seconds. Okay, now which column we want to sort? So month name we want to sort, right? Click on the month name column. Okay, Then go to sort by column. Sort by what you need to do. As I said in our Excel, I want to sort by month order. Okay. Now you see this chart will reflect based on the chronological order: January, February, March, April, May. That is what our intended output is. That's a magic, guys. And similarly, for this, what we need to do, the column name in the x-axis is day of a week. Click on the day of a week, go to sort by column, and click on day order that we have derived. Then once again the magic: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so this is how you need to set a chronological order for your month name or day of week. If you guys like this video, share and subscribe to the channel and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.